saltwater.
He's a 30.
Woo! Yeah, that's a good one.
Got a 30?
Got him.
All right, here we go.
Coming in.
Ooh, nice one, Ray.
Woo! There's a fish.
Nice.
Woo, Ray, good job.
Yeah, buddy.
That's what we're talking about right there.
Triple, baby.
What just happened?
3 in the net. Right there, brother.
Triple. Do a little dance.
Make a little love. Get down tonight.
Here, give me the camera real
Bring
quick.
the net over here on this side.
Just want to say thank you, Rusty.
You're welcome.
What are you doing over there?
Stick with me, buddy. You're not going to go far.
Really? Why are you holding those rods?
Here, hold another one.
We just tripled, man. We just tripled.
Triple up.
Woo!
3
fun.
in the net.
I'd say that's how we do it out here.
That's how we do it.
Right there.
Yeah, buddy.
What do you got there?
Got a halibut. Not exactly sure how much. Whoa. And I can't even keep my balance.
I think that's a big boy. There you go.
Now I can get some.
What the heck you got here? Oh, you still got 100 feet to go. You want me to take over?
Yes, please.
Okay, this is still filming.
There we go. There we
Dinner.
go. All right. Got some deep fry coming.
That's 2.
All right.
That first one was, how big was he?
He's 30. I think you said 30, 35.
That first one.
Less than half his size.
Yeah, he's good size. All right, 2 halibut in the boat.
All right.
Now on to salmon or Soldovia.
Yeah.
I fished it, just did a 360 around the dam. Whoop whoop.
Might actually.
Say what?
It might be a big lean cod. I don't know that it's a halibut. But
Well, he's taking your rod down pretty good.
that would be cool.
Show me the money. Get him, buddy. Get him. Oh, here he comes. Lingcod. The color on that boy. We thought we had the one. Rusty. Yeah, buddy.
What's going on?
I think he's like a 40, 50 pound butt.
Oh yeah.
I'm here. Jerry's on.
Woo, Jerry's on.
All right. This boy. Here, keep filming. Oh,
I am.
50 pounder, baby. Jerry's on. Cool, man.
Cooler, it's open.
Bro, I think I got me an octopus here. Yep, something heavy. Yep, there he is.
What you got down there?
Oh yeah, octopus.
Oh yeah. Look at that. He's pretty cool looking though.
Oh, he's heavy. There he goes.
Wow. That's so cool. He feels so cool.
Let him stick to the boat, and that way we can get the hook out maybe. See where he's hooked. Yeah, he's crawling away. He's pulling away from me. There he goes.
Down he goes.
He shot fast.
Woo! Rusty catching all the fish like always.
I know, I cannot believe it. Cannot believe it, Rusty. Giant buck too, man. I want to show that. That is the biggest cod.
That is a monster cod. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
That thing is
Beautiful, Ray.
Woo! That is what's known as a black sea bass. Get him, sea bass.
That's good meat right there.
We got some nests.
How many Dumb and Dumber quotes can we throw out there today is the question.
That.
That's a
right there.
beautiful sea bass, Rusty.
That's what you call a sea bass.
Woo! Get there.
There. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Look at this.
Beautiful.
He's a beaut.
Beautiful. In the ice.
If you want them, coolerize them. We're allowed 4 each. Yeah, he's real good.
You open the cooler for me, Whit?
Open the cooler, Jack. Go for it.
Woo! Thank you, sir.
Hey, Jack. Nice catch, buddy. And the whales, look at that. We got action everywhere.
We got
Action,
humpbacks.
action everywhere around us. Saw a whole pot of killer whales.
You want to bonk that bad boy for me?
Yeah.
It's to your left.
Right here. Sorry, I'm
You're good, man. You're the photographer.
Whales, look at that.
just right next to us.
Look at that. 2 of them.
Yep.
Oh.
Wow.
Look at, oh, tail. Here comes the tail. Oh, there it is.
There it is.
Boom.
Boom.
This is what they're eating.
Hey, look at that. Nice little candlefish. Jack, what'd you just catch?
Lingcod for dinner.
That's the biggest one I've seen out of here. It's a good size one.
Woo!
Lingia.
Oh,
Look at that.
well, Rusty, you don't got the biggest fish in the cooler anymore.
No, he's gorgeous.
He takes up the cooler.
He is a real nice ling.
Smile.
Oh yeah. I think we're done. Maybe not. Oh, action shot. Oh yeah, we're done.
Cooler open.
If I get him in here. Oh.
Beauty. Wow, look at all these fish. Little rock bass. Oh, he's a beauty.
Beauty. Transferring beautiful silvers out here at Seward. Just gorgeous fish. Got all our halibut. Now, got 16 silvers so far. All just gorgeous fish.
Wow.
16 silver and 8 halibut.
Wow. Cooler's
All
filled.
Cooler. Filled to the brim. Closing her up. Wonderful day on the market.
Wow. Nice job, guys.